aming condo. Pagpasok kayo, makikita niyo may talong. So, this is our, what do you call this? Kitchen. And then,
there's stove.
yeah.
Induction stove.
Okay, you tour them. This is the microwave. And then this is the, what do you call this?
Kettle.
Kettle corn. And then,
Okay, pakita po ang aming CR.
na napakalinis. Pasok. Makikigihi po kayo. Ihi po kayo. Makikita po natin kung gano'ng malinis si Tita. Toot!
Ayan, tapos may
Hindi po
shower.
natin pwede sabihin ng kanyang pangalan. Feel. Sige, lakad po kayo dito.
Ang ganda ng interior, guys. May painting pa. Oh.
So, kung makikita po natin, nandito po yung bag ni Tita. May libreng water. And then the ref. Ay, dito tayo kakain.
Yeah.
And then sofa.
TV. And then here's our bed.
Can you see?
Okay. Sige, babalik na ako para may maganda lighting. So, there's our bed. And then the view. Ayan. So, we're in Tagaytay. They're getting ready there.
Sabihin mo may kasama ka, si April Boy. Guys, kasama pala niya si Di ko kaya tanggapin. Nakakatawa.
Yan. So, anong gagawin natin today?
So today, we're gonna go sa McDo. Kasi gutom na si Tin. She
2 p.m. na, hindi pa ako nag-lunch.
had- Yeah, her lunch. And then,
Tapos,
we're gonna go buy some groceries.
We're gonna try to cook
Yep.
right now.
I'm gonna cook chicken wings, teriyaki,
Mm-hmm.
or pwede rin garlic parmesan pag nakabili ako. And then, Tin, describe yours.
Well, I will cook sinigang. Sinigang.
Eto, ano ang cook niya?
Fried egg.
Fried egg.
3 pieces.
Marunong ka ba?
Yan. So,
Uy, marunong
that's
na
our
si
agenda for today. Sige. See you later. Our grocery so far.
Bingo! So here's the status of the sinigang. Bili ng ganito. Tapos niluluto ko. Oh.
It's a video.
It's a picture.
So today we're gonna try to go to a zoo, Zuri Zoo, and then maybe go to Sky Ranch, and then Starbucks wrap. So I just took a bath. I'm currently brushing my hair and letting it dry while I have the view of Taal. Gonna eat breakfast, so I cooked the rice, then they're cooking like the eggs, the bacon, so I'm just waiting, and then we're gonna eat, then we're gonna go.
No? Saka may hulog.
Chef, anong menu today?
Corned beef ala... corned beef ala Nicola. Wala lang, corned beef lang ito. Look at the table. Uy, gogi.
Okay, we're getting ready.
I'm getting ready.
Getting ready. Where are we going?
We're going on a trip. Sobrang pretty nito.
Favorite rocket ship.
Saan tayo pupunta next? Wala siyang alam. So, we're gonna go sa...
We're gonna go
sa isang zoo. It's called Zuri, and then we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna go to Sky Ranch and then eat dinner sa Baguio Beans.
Baguio Beans. Bago Beans.
Ako na magbabayad. Oh. Gusto nyo?
Kung ikaw magbabayad, sige lang. Hello. Artista siya. Hi. Oh my God, ang laki. Python.
Ano, pwede kaya tayo mag-picture dyan?
Ayoko. Yun ang ayoko.
Now dito iba yung mga card. Now all you have to do is just say stop when you get to pick a card. Say stop
Stop.
and get this card. Pakita mo
Get,
sa kanya
get,
lahat kung sa akin. And I want you to remember your card. And I want you to put it up for here. So, let me guess. 6 of hearts.
Daya mo.
Now, if I get the card on the top, this one is Jack of Clubs. Now, cover mo to sa kamay. Tulak yung card mo pababa.
No way.
May naramdaman ka ba? Wala na yun dito. Nasa kamay mo.
Go.
Look, if I cut the card, we will get another card. This one is 10 of hearts. If I rub it right here, that'll be 6. I think I'll gagawa. So this one is a king. Now I want you to rub it like this. Open. I'll do it again. If I put those card back here, wala ka na rin makikita 6 kasi ito po ay magic card. But if I put that card right here in top of the deck, pitikin mo lang. Kanina po, iba-iba po yun. Ano po ba? This time, would you be impressed na pares-pares na po siya?
Oh.
After magkakaparehas, all you have to do just cut, then it'll be back to normal as a different ball you will see in 6 of hearts. Pero pag gusto mo makita yung 6, all you have to do just cut. Ito yung card mo sa taas.
Oh my God, para siyang owl.
Hello. We're here, oh.
Come here. Come here.
Uy, hawakan mo siya. Lex, hawakan mo.
Naroon lang yung mga bata.
Grabe yung hawak sa akin, parang ako yung ahas.
Soft pala siya.
Pag ginawa ka niya ng hawakan. Kaya nga po yung Koreano eh. Tapos nung nilaruan niya, wala na.
Ang weird daw.
Tagal niya hinawakan
Ito
niya.
po talaga sa nila? Or iba't iba?
Ang soft niya ha. Punas eh.
Kaya nung si Arami na nagtutin dito.
Si Aramina. So, crazy. Ito nakatayo. Ang random na ginagawa natin. Zombie. Ay, egg! Ay, ito din nagkakumuflage din. Wow. Is this donkey? Oh, kala niya may food tayo. I'm so sorry. Ay, sorry na. They're coming out! Hello guys! Kanya. Anak niya.
Ano kaya itong ginagawa niya? Ay, kamukha. Ay, papakita ko sa yung crocodile.
Hello!
Ayun nga! Ang ganda ng color niya. Parang
Please show us your feathers. Here's our food, New York cheesecake and pancake. So warm.
Kayain ko sana kayo mag-ice cream. Parang sobrang tamis na lang kinain natin. Oy, bumper ah! Yun lang, okay na ako. Ate. Slide mo to me. So dark. You don't know. Oh, mahina na yung tubig.
Okay, last day na po namin at nasi-stress na kami.
Kita yung itsura ko, guys.
Late na kami sa check-out. Kakain pa lang kami kasi nagluto pa kami. Yeah. We have garlic parmesan and then chicken teriyaki, spam, then egg.
Ang kulon.
Anywhere.